In a busy cafe, he spots a cheeky meme and taps send without a second thought, hoping to spark a quick laugh for both of them. She sees the meme and immediately feels the need to overthink the reply, collecting emojis and a clever caption to maximize impact. He grins and sends a second meme in a bold move, hopping to seal the moment and prove he understands humor. She types a measured response, adding context and timing, and she hopes the humor lands without unintended offense. Sound familiar? Output title, he said V's. She said GIFs and memes. Misfire script situation, he's view, she's view CTA.